What's up, YouTube? I'm up here in my crawl space over my ceiling because I am going to attempt to catch a cat with a piece of turkey, a bag, and some rope. Let's see what happens. So, earlier today, I started demoing my kitchen so that I can renovate it. And my cat thought it was a good idea to go in the crawl space. And keep in mind, it's the one that's over my ceiling, not in the basement. And he fell down a wall. As you can see him, he is totally stuck. So like I said, I will attempt to catch him. He loves turkey. Every morning I get up, I make turkey for my son and I. We make turkey sandwiches for lunch. And he has to have a bite. So he loves turkey. So instead of cutting a hole in my wall, having to patch the drywall, texture it, and paint it, I'm kind of hoping I can put a bag down with a piece of turkey that will lure him in. We will see what happens. Oh, well, maybe he's coming up. Fleshy. And I didn't even need the bag. The bad news is I am now covered in insulation. And that stuff is itchy as hell. Well, here's for a messy cat and a fiberglass covered hole.